Hi guys, welcome to my channel YouTube Babo Technology. On this video, we are going to view how to put my Facebook profile in dark mode. Ok, dans cette vidéo, dans ce tutoriel, on va voir comment mettre ma profil Facebook en mode sombre ou en mode de nuit. Ok, donc this is my channel. This is a place video. Ok, this is a place. Ok, you see that after. Okay, we are going to Facebook. Click the Facebook profile. Okay, you see this is my profile. Okay, this is my profile Facebook. Okay, go to the here and see, and that what you see, that dark mode you see after setting, et dans la version française, et de la version française, language. Okay, I see language. Okay, you see that l'image. Okay, you see a mode some, you see that, and in English, see dark mode. Okay, you see dark mode some. Yeah, you see my profile Facebook and dark mode, you see that, mode de nuit. Okay, you see mode de nuit, dark mode. Okay, you see, if you want to turn off, you can. Okay, see that, voila. Okay, et voilà, you see my my page Facebook Babo Technology. Okay, this is my page Facebook Babo. Okay, you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Okay, I will see you next